All right, guys, this is the Montec 125s, and this is 125 grain broadheads. I don't have but the standard inserts. I got my brass inserts coming. I've tuned this Prime Nexus for about, in and out for about 3 or 4 weeks, and I just shot it broadhead and field point at 60 yards, and all 4 of them was in, 3 of them was in the heart, and 1 of them was in the right above the heart and the lung. Now I might not be able to do it this time, but I just wanted to show y'all broadhead flight. This is my this offset and helical that I put on these arrows. I've had this fletching jig, the Bitzenberg, for 30 years, and a guy named Ronnie Thompson and a Moss Point police officer named Terry Bell set my jig up for shooting thunderheads. Okay, I was having problems when I was a young shooter, and I just want to show you the flight on these. These are G5 Montec. I've had problems with them breaking, but this is at 60 yards, that Glendale buck down there. I hope y'all seen that. I'll take y'all down there. But that right there, they shoot. I don't know, I tuned this bow right. And if anybody needs help on it, I done it different than anybody I've seen. God, dog. I ain't even gonna shoot my field, but yeah, I will. I will to show y'all. It's 90 degrees out here, guys. I've been out here every day working on this bow, retying, serving, retying peak, timing, breaking it back down. Here we go, field point. In the same hole, brother. I don't know what can be done about that. You know, I used to shoot the 3D archery scene. All of them right there, brother. I'm gonna take y'all down there with me. Okay? SS Express. I know I'm hot. I look like shit. But this is at 60 yards, guys. This is a 3-blade fixed blade broadhead. 125 grain field point and broadheads. It's got 1 inch and 1/8 cut. And that is a 250 spine. I'm shooting 70 pounds at 29 inches. And I'm not, I'm not an expert, and I probably have a lot of form problems. But I tell you what, I think I can bust his ass. That's my field points and broadheads at 60 now. I've seen people on 3D tournaments not keep a group at 60 yards like that with their competition bow. I'm not saying nothing. Practice will make you good, not perfect. Get out there and shoot your bow. It's not your equipment. It's not them damn TKO arrows either. These are Atmos arrows. I paid $39 for these dozens because I did not know what I was going to shoot. Okay? I hate to say that. Damn, I want to turn. I paid 30, let me get this down. Hold on. I paid $39 for a dozen arrows. I fletched them with my fletching jig. And if a TKO can do better than that, I don't need it. I don't want to bust my nocks. I done busted 2 nocks. I only got 10 arrows out of 12, okay? But here we go. I done back the camera back out. Look, guys, at 60. 2 broadheads, 2 field points. 2 broadheads, 2 field points on the shittiest arrows that they say that won't shoot. And I didn't spin test them. I didn't do nothing. I didn't round the ends. We're whitetail hunting. I will never take a shot at 60 yards. The furthest I'll shoot, I'm shooting 300 foot a second. I will shoot one at 40 yards now because I'm dead confident. But I'm just gonna tell you what. If you're TKO, that $179 for just the shafts, okay? How much better can they do? Let's start telling the truth about archery. Practice. You know what kind of release I'm shooting? It's not a Carter and it's not a Stanonyx. It's a $30 thumb button. I do have a Scott Ghost on the way. Don't lie. Just tell the truth. Let's sell bow hunting. Let's not sell equipment. Come on now, guys. Bam!